What's going on, pumpkin people? This week we're going to be checking out Cardinal. Cardinal put on 135 pounds. Stick around. We interrupt this video real quick. Backyard Scents. I know a lot of my followers are deer hunters. Backyard Scents is all natural scent in the bottle. Check them out. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Backyard Scents, baby. They do work. I use them. Can't recommend them enough. I'll have the link in the description. A little bit different here this week. We're starting at the rear of the plant. Cardinal is right at the tip of my finger. Here's our stump, looking really good. Dry, no rot issues. Just some natural aging going on with our leaves on a few, but all in all, the plant health's looking really good. Sea of green. Let's go check out Cardinal. All right, Cardinal has grown this week. Check it out. Cardinal is 535 pounds estimated. This morning when I measured, again, the sea of green, looking really good. We're gaining about 20 pounds a day. If you live in the Northeast, you'll know that we had some really cold mornings recently. It kind of slowed down a touch just because I think the cold mornings, but this week, I think we should be picking up some steam. Still putting on 20 pounds a day. There's the blossom. I'm actually checking out the blossom for the first time and looking okay. Yep. This is how I have to look at it through a camera phone. Looking good. I don't see any splits or anything. Take a look at that stem real quick. We got the fan on. Looking good. Not too much tension. Loosened up a couple more vines in the back. Trying to slowly lift these vines up as this pumpkin's growing, but looking really good. Not quite sure where we're gonna be taking Cardinal yet. We're thinking the Biggie in Springfield, Massachusetts, or it's West Springfield, but we're gonna see where we end up. Or we're gonna go to Rhode Island, GPC way off at Fair Ritchie's farm in October, but we'll see where we are. We'll see where we end up. Just for a quick comparison, 39 days ago, the pumpkin was this big, Cardinal's this big. 39 days. Look at that for scale, how far we've really come. When you start really doing comparisons like that, it's crazy to see how fast they really do grow. But right now, we got to keep up with our fungicides, insecticides. Sprayed Daconil. Had a little bit of bug damage right there, but nowhere else really. There were beetles, I think, but that is not powdery mildew. That's Daconil. So we're good there. I don't see any powdery mildew yet. This time of year, powdery mildew with dew in the mornings, cooler evenings, you get fungus issues, but you got to stay on your fungicide program. Looking good. Might have to add some more sand here because we're kind of getting to the end, so might have to add a little bit more. And there's that scratch. Every video from now on, I'm going to be pointing out that don't touch your fruit. That scratch, again, was done by my fingernail like this. The fruit was a little bit bigger than this. It was probably softball size. And my finger just touched it like that. I just scratched intentionally this fruit. See that? That tiny little scratch turns in that eyesore. It's good and dry, it's fine, but see how lightly you touch a fruit? Like barely any pressure. And right there you can see I scratched it again. Barely touch it and you will nick it. As the fruit gets older, the skin gets harder. So you risk less chance of scratching. But thanks for tuning in this week. Like, subscribe to our page. Until next time, grow 'em big.